Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download Windows 11. So first you need to open your browser and just search Windows 11 download. Hit enter. So you can go to the first option, download Windows 11. So there are several options here you can try. So you can download Windows 11 using Windows 11 installation assistant. So this method you can use for if you are using currently Windows 10 kind of computer. So this will help you to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But you have to Windows 10 version to 2004 or higher version need to upgrade your computer into Windows 11. So the second method is create Windows 11 installation media. So if you're planning to install Windows using pen drive or DVD kind of thing, you have to go with this method. So you have to just download the media creation tool. It is around 10 megabytes I think. Yeah, it is 10 megabytes. Once you are download, wait for the download complete. Okay, now it is downloaded. You have to double tap on it to install that one. Just tap on yes. Okay, it will take small time to gather the information. Alright, so you have to agree this license and terms, then just tap on accept. Wait for the next process start. Yes, you can choose your language and edition. Untick this one if you need to change this information. So I like to keep this as it is. Just tap on this one, tap on next, and yeah, in here you have two options. If you connect your USB drive in here, you can just select your USB drive and tap on next to install directly Windows 11 into your USB drive. But you are planned to create ISO file for future installation processes, you can choose the second option. I like to second one because this one help to create Windows 11 installation file anytime. So if you're using USB drive, make sure it should be at least 8 gigabytes. So choose the option, tap on next. So yeah, now it asks the location it need to download. Just go to your preferred location, tap on save. So you can see it is start to download. Once the process is completed to 100%, your ISO file will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can use my previous videos. I mentioned how to install that into your USB drive. So you can watch that video to how to install that one into your USB. Then after you can install the Windows in your computer. So yeah, okay, as a final step, you can directly download ISO file from their website. So you can just select your download version. Currently it is support 64-bit devices, Windows 11 multi-edition, and just tap on download now. It will take small time and ask few questions from you. Okay, now it is asked for your language. Tap on choose one, choose your language, tap on confirm. Okay, now you can download 64-bit version. Just tap on download. You can see download is started. It is around 5.4 gigabytes. So once you downloaded, you can install using my previous video. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video. But don't forget, if you need to run Windows 11, at least you have 4 GB RAM or 8 GB is preferred, and TPM 2.0. So if you don't have TPM 2.0 in your computer, there is another video I was created. You can how to install the Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 even unsupported. So if you like this, please like and subscribe my channel.